Hey friends, if you wish to turn Windows Update service on or off on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Search for services in the Windows search bar and go to the services menu and then scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on it and then you can select stop to stop it. You can right click and select start to start it. You can right click and select restart to restart it. But here's the thing, I want you to know this very clearly. If you are stopping the Windows Update service, it will only stop for a limited period of time for that specific session of Windows. If you restart your computer, the service will restart as well. Even if you do not restart your computer, it will eventually restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.